Your dorm room isn't just a place to sleep, it's your personal sanctuary, study space, and social hub all rolled into one. Whether you want a cozy retreat, a stylish workspace, or a room that reflects your personality, decorating your dorm is all about making the most of limited space while ensuring comfort and functionality. From clever storage solutions to aesthetic touches, there are endless ways to transform a simple dorm into a space that feels like home. In this guide, we'll explore creative ideas to help you decorate your dorm with style and practicality. Dorm rooms are often small, but that doesn't mean they have to feel cluttered. The key to a functional and stylish dorm is smart storage solutions. Under-bed storage bins, over-the-door organizers, and stackable shelves can help you maximize every inch of space. Multifunctional furniture, such as ottomans with hidden compartments or a lofted bed with a desk underneath, allows you to store your essentials without compromising on style. Vertical space is your best friend. Floating shelves, hanging organizers, and wall hooks can keep your books, school supplies, and decor items neatly arranged. By keeping everything organized and within reach, your dorm will feel more open, inviting, and easy to navigate. Loving these dorm room decor ideas? Hit the like button and share with your roommates. A dorm room should feel like a home away from home, and the right decor choices can help create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Soft lighting, such as string lights, LED lamps, or fairy lights, adds a cozy ambience to your space. Comfortable bedding with layered blankets and plush pillows enhances relaxation after a long day of classes. Personal touches, like framed photos, artwork, or a DIY gallery wall, help reflect your personality and make the space uniquely yours. Area rugs add warmth and texture while making the room feel more put together. With the right combination of colors, textures, and decor elements, your dorm will become a comfortable retreat where you can unwind and recharge. Which dorm decor style is your favorite? Drop a comment below. Balancing work and relaxation is essential in a dorm, and having a designated study area helps maintain focus and productivity. A compact yet well-organized desk setup is key. Opt for a space-saving desk with built-in storage, or use wall-mounted organizers to keep study materials easily accessible. A comfortable chair is essential for long study sessions, and good lighting, such as a desk lamp with adjustable brightness, prevents eye strain. Adding a whiteboard or pinboard above your desk can help you stay on top of deadlines and daily tasks. Small decor details, like a motivational quote print or a plant, can make your workspace feel more inspiring while keeping you motivated throughout the semester. Want more small space decor inspiration? Subscribe and turn on notifications. Decorating a dorm doesn't have to be expensive. There are plenty of affordable ways to create a stylish and trendy space. Peel and stick wallpaper or removable wall decals allow you to add color and patterns without damaging the walls. Thrifted or secondhand decor pieces can add character while staying within budget. DIY projects, such as handmade macrame wall hangings or repurposed furniture, bring a personal and creative touch to the room. Decorative storage boxes or baskets keep clutter out of sight while doubling as stylish accents. By mixing budget-friendly decor with practical elements, you can create a dorm that feels chic, modern, and entirely your own. Check out our dorm decor playlist for even more creative ideas. A dorm room is more than just a place to sleep, it's a space where you study, unwind, and create memories. It's where late-night study sessions turn into early morning conversations, where laughter fills the air, and where you find comfort after a long day. The way you decorate your dorm can set the tone for the entire school year, shaping your daily routine and mood. A well-designed dorm should balance aesthetics with function. It's about creating a space that is both visually appealing and practical. Whether you prefer a minimalist, boho, or modern vibe, incorporating elements that reflect your personality is what makes your dorm feel like home. Beyond decor, your dorm is a reflection of your journey. It's a place where you'll grow, learn, and embrace new experiences. Each decorative touch, from a favorite book on the nightstand to a cozy throw draped over your chair, contributes to the atmosphere that makes your space uniquely yours. Even in a small space, small details matter. The softness of a well-chosen blanket, the glow of ambient lighting, and the organization of your study desk all play a role in making your dorm feel harmonious and inviting. Remember that decor isn't just about trends, it's about creating an environment that enhances your daily life. The right setup can boost productivity, encourage relaxation, and bring a sense of peace to your space. Your dorm will evolve throughout the year, reflecting your changing tastes, moods, and experiences. What starts as a blank canvas will become a space layered with memories, creativity, and self-expression. As the seasons change and the school year progresses, so too will your dorm's atmosphere. A fresh set of bedding, a new plant, or an updated gallery wall can refresh the space and keep it feeling exciting. Your dorm is where you'll begin and end each day, so make it a place that supports your goals, energizes your spirit, and provides a sense of comfort. Whether it's a cozy reading nook, an inspiring workspace, or a stylish lounging area, your dorm should cater to your lifestyle and needs. Take the time to personalize your space, not just for aesthetics, but for the experience it provides. A well-decorated dorm can inspire creativity, boost motivation, and offer a haven from the demands of student life. A great dorm setup makes it easy to transition between study mode and relaxation. Having separate zones for work and downtime can help create structure and balance in your daily life. Above all, dorm room decor is about finding joy in your surroundings. The right color palette, textures, and decor choices can make a space feel uplifting and inspiring. Over time, your dorm will feel less like a temporary space and more like your own personal retreat. It will become a place where you can express yourself, feel at ease, and make the most of every moment. At the end of the day, dorm decor is about crafting a space that feels like home. Whether it's a mix of cozy elements, stylish details, or functional organization, your dorm should be a reflection of your. Creating a dorm room that reflects your personality and style is not just about adding random decorations, but about curating a space where you feel most at home. A comfortable, personalized dorm can significantly enhance your experience and productivity. Whether it's through the right lighting, cozy textures, or unique storage solutions, small changes can make a world of difference. The key is to ensure that every piece in the room serves a purpose, whether it's functional, aesthetic, or both. A well-thought-out decor scheme helps to create a space where you can relax, study, and enjoy your time away from home. One of the most important aspects of dorm decor is organization. While it's easy for a small space to become cluttered, using smart storage solutions can help maintain a clean and tidy environment. Furniture like storage ottomans, bookshelves, and underbed drawers can help keep things organized while still adding style to the room. Decorative baskets, shelves, and boxes not only keep things in order but can also serve as beautiful accents. Additionally, the use of wall-mounted storage is a great way to maximize floor space, which is precious in a dorm room. Your decor choices should also be versatile enough to adapt to your needs throughout the year. A dorm room should evolve as your lifestyle does. For example, you might need a peaceful space to study during exams and a cozy corner to unwind on weekends. Want to recreate these looks? Find all the decor links in the description below. The right lighting, whether from fairy lights, desk lamps, or wall sconces, can help set the mood for any occasion, while soft textiles like throws and cushions provide comfort and warmth. Layering different textures also creates visual interest, making your space feel more dynamic and inviting. Personalization plays a huge role in making a dorm room feel like home. Your space should reflect your unique style, and incorporating elements that have sentimental value or are meaningful to you can add an extra layer of comfort. From art prints and photos of friends and family to books and trinkets that tell your story, these personal touches make all the difference. You can also change up your decor seasonally, bringing in fresh colors and textures that match the time of year. This helps your space feel constantly renewed and exciting. The dorm room should also serve as a sanctuary where you can retreat after a long day, recharge, and be yourself. Having a designated relaxation space within your dorm can create a peaceful retreat that helps you unwind. Whether it's a reading nook, a cozy corner with cushions, or simply a bed dressed with soft, inviting bedding, it's important that your space offers both comfort and function. Your dorm room's decor should be an expression of who you are, a reflection of your journey, and a place where you can feel relaxed, focused, and energized. No matter the size of your room, with the right approach to decorating, you can create a dorm that not only looks good but feels good too.